So Chris, this is Chris Vallis coming to get some parts. You're a new customer here.
Yep.
Can you tell me what drew you to come to Devine?
Radio commercials to start with. Secondly, nobody else carries what you guys carry. You have everything I could possibly need in one-stop shop. So for me, it was a no-brainer. I spent time at Napa, and it just didn't pan out. After about an hour, I realized they were in over their heads. This is the place where you guys just have everything, could answer it all.
All right, Chris, I don't mean to be difficult, but you did tell me that this is your second stop here.
Yeah.
It isn't to fix anything that we did wrong?
No, not at all. No, just to get more stuff that I need.
All right, I like that. Appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you.
Bye. So Jeremiah Wolf, you're here. This isn't your first time now, is it?
Maybe. I don't know. I might have been here once last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think when you were with Eversource, maybe?
Michael's.
With Michael's then, okay. What are you here for today?
Hose. It's for my drill rig.
Okay. You happy with what you got?
Oh, yeah.
I heard you got waited on by the big cheese. Brian Devine, yeah?
The old boss man, yeah.
Wait a minute, is he still here hearing this? Oh yeah, there he is. All right, well I'm just glad you're happy and thanks for saying a few kind words.
Yeah.